guys, good morning. It's 9:31 right now and we are still in Osaka. We've just left the hotel. We did not check out. We are just out to visit a few other points today. This is our last day in Osaka and then we check out tomorrow. So first things first, as you all know, coffee. So we are just going to get some coffee and breakfast for ourselves. Now coffee and finally I've got some toast. Breakfast done and we are now in the station going to board the train for the next stop. So the plan is that we'll be going to Hiroshima right now. So yeah, let me take you guys along. We've reached the Shin Osaka station and we need to get the bullet train from here. So we are just going downstairs and we'll buy the tickets for Shinkansen, which is the bullet train, and then we'll head to Hiroshima. We've reached Hiroshima and now we need to catch a bus from here to get to Hiroshima Peace Memorial Park. So let's go.
今日もシェアバスをご利用くださいませ。
Hiroshima Prefectural Art Museum, Shukeian, Hiroshima Castle, the Hiroshima Museum of Art, Kamiyacho, the Atomic Bomb Dome, the Peace Memorial Park, and Nami.
I'm sure you guys all know that Hiroshima has got a very big historical significance. It's one of the most important part of Japan, and if you are traveling or visiting Japan anytime, and if you can, then you should ensure that you come and visit this place, because I think this is a symbol of, peace and resilience. And we have the castle right in front of us. This is Hiroshima Castle. Guys, again look at the fall colors from here. Weather update, it's really nice and sunny today, not that cold, so it's a pleasant day to be out and about. We are just near the Peace Memorial Park, but we came to this shop to get something to drink. So we've got this Japanese style milkshake to try. This is the Atomic Bomb Dome. This was exactly where the atomic bomb was detonated. And this was the first atomic bomb ever to be used in the history of mankind. So this building has been preserved exactly as it was. It's one of those buildings that survived the blast. Hi guys, just visiting the bomb dome. I just feel so moved, emotional, and it's like very heartbreaking for me right now because of the things that they have gone through. We are out of the Peace Memorial Park and now we are going to get a ferry to Miyajima Island. We've reached Miyajima Island and the ride was very breathtaking, and they say that this particular course is a World Heritage course. There are deers here also. Hi. So many of these guys here. We are searching for something to eat. It's 4:30. Haven't had our lunch yet. So there are a lot of places here for eating, but no vegetarian options. There's a vegan place, but that's closed. So let's find out what we can do. So I'm getting a coffee, and I've also got some cashews and croissants. It will go for tonight before dinner. Should be fine.
This is
Oysters, skewered oysters.
grown in Hiroshima.
So guys, we've reached the main shrine of Miyajima Island, and it's almost sunset. It's looking surreal. It's a beautiful place. So we wanted to go to the two-storied pagoda, but it looks like a very long route, and it's almost the daylight is gone, sunset has happened, so I don't think we'll have enough light to go upstairs because there's no lights or anything. So we are just going to drop the plan and we'll head back to the ferry terminal. Guys, we still decided to just climb up and see how far it was, and we did the right thing because it wasn't a very long walk, and we've reached the pagoda. Let me show you what it looks like. I think it's a perfect timing. Sunset, the orange colors of the pagoda, it looks beautiful. So this is what it looks like. Perfect. Guys, just look at the sky behind me. It looks very good, and this place has got a very peaceful vibe to it. It's about 5:25 right now, but it's very peaceful and it's not as busy as the places we've been so far. So yeah, really good. So picturesque, so beautiful, no? Look at this deer. Guys, you know what? We did not have Miyajima Island in the plan initially, but today we just, out of nowhere, we just thought that let's do it, and thank God we did that because it's such a good town. It's like a small country town surrounded by mountains. It's obviously an island town, and it's so beautiful, so aesthetic. It also gives us the vibe similar to the Ninenzaka path that we did in Kyoto. So yeah, we are so happy that we did it. Just look at the sunset behind me, all the fall colors, all the houses and the structures of the buildings. So good, and deers roaming around here and there freely. So yeah, it's very beautiful. We had a great time here in Miyajima, and now we are waiting for the ferry. to head back to Hiroshima station, and then we'll get the Shinkansen to go back to Osaka. I'll keep you guys posted, but my phone is running out on charge, so if my phone gets switched off, I'll catch up with you once I have my phone turned on. We reached Umeda, but instead of going to the hotel, we are going to the electronic shop that Abhik was really interested to go yesterday. So yeah, let's just go there and see what stock and what collection they have got. So this is basically a huge electronic shop with anything you want to get, you can get it from here. We are here just to see if these are any cheaper than what we get in Melbourne. So yeah. We're also looking at some of the watches here.
Any more discount?
No.
Look at the Christmas arrangement here. It's so good. After visiting the store, Abhi did buy a watch for himself. He got a Seiko Sport, and then we were getting very late, so I couldn't shoot anything. But we've come to an Indian restaurant to have our dinner. It's the same Indian restaurant where we came yesterday, and today we are just having simple dal, rice, and sabzi. We were so hungry. It's 11:15 right now. We are heading back to the hotel. So yeah, I think that's about it for this vlog. We had a very long day today. We were out and about for the entire day. There was a lot of traveling, a lot of walking, very good sightseeing. So yeah, too much happening today. So we are just going to go to the hotel and call it a day. We need to check out tomorrow morning as well. So another busy day coming ahead. So yeah, I think that's about it for this vlog, guys. I hope you guys liked watching it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.